The 30 and 35 ton two-way half-beam gas log splitters from YARDMAX. Compact and heavy-duty, it's easy for one person to assemble, letting you get to work right away. Designed for ease of use, but engineered for the toughest jobs using a Briggs & Stratton engine and an oversized hydraulic pump. It will split the hardest and greenest wood. Running parallel to the beam, the hydraulic reservoir stays out of the way for convenient dual-side operation. It also safely houses the oil filter, keeping it clear from falling logs. The engine is positioned away from the operator for ideal weight distribution and safety. YARDMAX log splitters include standard design features that others don't, like a patent-pending U-beam structure, significantly stronger than a typical high-beam design. A patent-pending spinner footplate that easily rotates logs while splitting, reducing stress on the U-beam. A longer table length accommodates up to 26-inch logs, a larger hydraulic pump for shorter cycles, and a pair of heavy-duty two-position log cradles. Lightweight, compact, and easy to store in the off-season, this rugged log splitter comes with standard enhancements like a hydraulic cylinder handle that allows you to easily switch from vertical to horizontal position, plus metal fenders and a tow coupler for safe and easy towing. When it comes to tackling the toughest log splitting jobs with ease, the YARDMAX 30 and 35 ton two-way half-beam log splitters will deliver. Max value, max performance. That's YARDMAX. Tame the great outdoors.